In this video, I'm going to explain budget type in DSP, demand set platform, and where do you find budget type in DV360. Budget type is available at insertion order level. In this picture, you can see select your budget type section. Here you can select either currency budget or impression budget. So budget can be added as a value in terms of currency budget or impression budget. So currency budget, when you select it, it's a value that is entered here for the given IO. The total amount of budget that you want to give in terms of currency for the given IO can be entered here. So once you select this, enter the budget value here. And if you select impression as a budget type, enter number of impression that is booked for this IO. Let's take an example to understand. If you have $100 and rate of each apple is 5, then total number of apples you can purchase is 100 by 5 equal to 20. That means for a given $100, you can purchase 20 apples for a given rate. From this example, what is the budget type we can choose? Budget type for a given rate, when you choose $100, that is a currency budget. So in this transaction, if you choose $100, it is currency budget, and if you choose 20 apples for a given same rate, you're going to spend $100, which is same. So we can say this 20 apples as a quantity type. So currency budget and quantity type are two types of budget types. Now let's apply the same concept here. In DV360, budget type is found at IO level. So let's take $100 is a planned budget for this IO for a given rate of 5. Now if we calculate here, total number of impression that can be purchased for given budget and rate is 100 by 5 into 1000 equal to 20,000 impressions. That means either you can give 100 or 20,000 impressions. You can say budget type for a given rate by choosing $100 currency budget that is entered once you choose currency budget here. And when you choose $20,000 to enter in this section, so that is impression budget. If you calculate it, you will get $100. That means either you can give $100 as a budget, either you can give 20,000 impressions as a budget. So both are same.